Wheelchair Travel Hacks by Lindsay, My C5 Life. When you're out and about and you use a power drive wheelchair, your wheelchair has a controller, goes through cables, and these cables connect through to the brain box of your chair to make you go. But what happens is these come apart, and if they come apart, it means your wheelchair won't move, and which is really dangerous if it comes apart and your wheelchair dies on the road. You don't want to get hit by a car. So I'll tell you how to fix it up with a little bit of electrical tape. Electrical tape comes in very handy. What you do is we'll get that and you connect your controller up, and then you wrap all the cable around. So with a little bit of assistance from my support worker, some electrical tape, my little connection is nice and secure, which means I can be out independent and safe and living life. That's how you do it, guys. Woohoo!